Blue slime. Yellow. Pinker. Whoa. Green.
All right, let's connect them together, okay?
So fun!
I know. Let's make the biggest slime ever.